Hey folks, how's it going? It's Max from Woodsmans Finest. This is just an episode in my pro tip series. I am working on kayak spoon blanks at the moment. If you're wondering, I'm here in the middle of Kyushu, Japan, as you probably know. These are from re-soaked sakura. Extremely tough before, and now they're carvable again, which is awesome. And yeah, this one is going to be a two-tone finish kayak spoon. People are waiting for these. It's gonna be, yeah, they have been very popular, merging some Western and Eastern style of spoons. And yeah, I couldn't be more stoked. Thank you so much for the support. This pro tip today is brought to you by, no, I'm serious. What I wanted to get at today, just for a minute, and this pro tip's not gonna be longer than a couple minutes. When I'm working all day long on spoons, or knives, leatherwork, I really have to watch my posture. My posture, I'm generally working on it, like not trying to roll my shoulders forward and trying to not like collapse, especially my back, which really gives me a bad neck posture and produces a lot of pain over time. Sorry for that, folks. Urban Japan, what can I do? So I really wanted to point out that while you're carving, try to keep your posture nice. It can be very difficult because obviously you're carving a lot right in front of your face, so automatically your neck kind of collapses and you roll forward like this. But every now and then I'm kind of trying to remind myself to kind of keep my back straight, even if I brace the spoon here, keep my back straight, and rather than collapsing in my neck, just try to look down by like just rolling my eyes down, right? Sounds a little bit weird, but believe me, if you're sitting like this all day long, I mean, you can tell what it does to my posture. So rather than that, I'm trying to bring myself up, sit on a good chair as well. It makes a whole lot of difference what chair you're sitting in. One that's like really mushy and kind of like aids you with the collapsing, or something where you, like me at the moment, where you sit like really your legs in 90 degrees angle, like a little stool, and you keep, even while you have it braced right in your against your sternum here, keep your elbows tight, and rather than collapsing here, just stay upright and try to aim down with your eyes. Of course, I have to remind myself, because as I'm going, as the hours go by, I'm more and more doing this, which is really bad. Okay, over time it can give you a lot of problems. So this is something I just wanted to point out, folks. Watch your posture is really important. I'm not gonna give you the whole broken record YouTube thing right now, like check me out here, check me out there. If you want to support the channel, as you always know, like whatever you can find, where you can find me, or like whatever you can support me with, is down in the description box. So thank you very much for tuning in, for the support. I hope you folks are good wherever you are, and I'm gonna see you next time. This is Max from Woodsmans Finest. Cheers.